Hello dear students, how are you all? So I hope you are enjoying and understanding the concept through these videos. Today we are going to cover the chapter number 4 of economics, that is globalization. First video was a kind of introduction related to this chapter. What is globalization and how it is influencing the Indian economy. That video we had covered about the this phenomena which is known as globalization, and due to the globalization how the multinational companies they have came and how they produce across the countries. That was the exactly first topic. Now we are moving to this next video and we are covering, first was how multinational companies are doing the production across the country. Now we are talking about these multinational companies, they interlink the production. They do the production across the countries. That is true. We had covered the example of an American multinational company, ITT. This is the one way. There are several other ways through which the multinational companies interlink the production. They interconnect the production activities, and they are doing the production beyond the boundary from where they exist. So there are 4 very interesting ways through which we can understand this concept, that how these MNCs are interlinking the production across the country. The first thing, we will go through this flow chart. This is how MNC they are interlinking the production. The first method is the by foreign investment. Now you have to understand what is foreign investment. So the word foreign has come here. So इसका मतलब the investment which is made from a foreign company. What is investment? You have to understand investment. Investment, that means the capital which is used, capital or money that is spent to buy asset like land or construction, or machinery and other equipment. By any company is called investment. So this is the definition of investment, the money which is spent by a company to buy the asset. Asset matlab property, asset, कैसी asset? The company, if suppose you want to start or open a production plant for your company, you will have to first buy the land, you have to do the construction, you will have to do the construction and set up a company over there, set up a production plant over there. तो उसके लिए जो पैसा आप खर्च कर रहे हैं, you are installing the machinery also, and you have to spend the capital for that purpose also, and the other equipment also. If a multinational company is doing the same thing to buy the asset, suppose a company like Ford Motors, we have the example of Ford Motors. It want to extend its plant in India. Already it has a very big plant. It want to make the extension. It has the plant in Chennai and now it wants to start it up in Noida. So what the company will do, the company will purchase the land from there. Construction will be done, machineries will be installed, and the other equipments will also be purchased by the company. And because the company Ford Motors is a multinational company, so the investment, whatever it will spend in dollar, will give to the government. So that investment will be considered a foreign investment. This is the most common way. आप last में इसको कैसे conclude करेंगे? This is the most common way for any multinational company to start the production across the countries. Then the second one is the by joint venture. So this is the second second way for multinational company to interlink the production across the countries or across the globe. What is the method? By making a joint venture or by making collaboration. किसी को अपना पार्टनर बना के. तो sometime these multinational companies, they make partners to any local country where it is going to invest. Clear? So sometimes these MNCs, they make a joint venture by collaborating with the local company, and then this collaboration will help it to cover the market of that host country, and it is double what we can say, इसका दोनों को बेनिफिट है, मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी को भी और लोकल कंपनी को भी. अब हाउ मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज दे गेट द बेनिफिट? बिकॉज दे now have already a partner which understand the mood, the trend, the way how the business is going on in one particular company. और local company को ये benefit है कि that gets the assistance, that gets the capital from a multinational company also, as well as the technology. And we can understand it very easily by covering this example. This is the example Ford Motors. When it decided to come India in 1990s and wanted to cover the Indian huge market, what it did, it came to India, made a collaboration with a very famous Indian company in the field of automobile. Particularly, they were dealing in jeeps and trucks. That is Mahindra and Mahindra. So they made a collaboration with Mahindra and Mahindra. And this collaboration brought benefit for both the companies, for Ford Motors as well as for Mahindra and Mahindra also. So now we can see that Mahindra and Mahindra has a wide range because it got the latest technology, it got the method how the multinational companies manage their work by making a collaboration with the Ford Motors, and also got the capital as well. Or Ford Motors also got the Indian markets. Now the third is the by taking over the local company. take over कर लेना, किसी को परचेज कर लेना. तो ये भी एक बड़ा common method है through which the multinational companies they are working. What they do, these multinational companies they go to the host countries. और एक और चीज आपको याद रखनी है कि जनरली ये जो मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज हैं ये जनरली डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज की होंगी और ये इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगी डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज में. ठीक है, तो ये डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज से होती हैं. ये एक कॉमन ट्रेंड है जहां पे टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत बढ़िया है, पैसा बहुत बढ़िया है, कैपिटल बहुत बढ़िया है, और अपनी मार्केट से ये अब फॉरेन मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहती हैं और वर्ल्ड मार्केट में बढ़ना चाहती हैं. तो ये क्या करती हैं, ये क्या करेंगी, क्योंकि ये डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज से होंगी, जनरली दे आर इन ऑफ बिग साइज, बहुत बड़ा रिसोर्स इनके पीछे होगा. और आपकी बुक में भी लिखा हुआ है कि कई मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज जो है डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज की, कंट्रीज लाइक अमेरिका, उनका जो वेल्थ है, उनकी जो कैपिटल है, वो कई देशों की टोटल जीडीपी, जो उस देश की टोटल इनकम है एक साल की, उससे भी ज्यादा होती है. तो आप इससे लगा सकते हैं आइडिया कि हाउ पावरफुल दीज सम ऑफ दीज मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज आर. और ये क्या करती हैं, व्हेन दे गो टू एनी अंडर डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज और डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज, व्हाट दे डू, दे परचेज द लोकल कंपनी. दे परचेज द लोकल कंपनी. और लोकल कंपनी को परचेज करने का क्या बेनिफिट होगा, अगर मैं एक मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी हूं, मैं किसी लोकल कंपनी को परचेज कर लूंगा, तो उसकी जमी जमाई मार्केट, उसकी बनी बनाई रेपुटेशन, दैट आई विल एंजॉय, और उसके लिए मैं पे करूंगा. सो this is a third method. Sometimes these multinational companies they take over, they purchase the local company and capture the market of that local company. Again we have an example, you have to understand, keep it in your mind. The name of a very famous American multinational company in the field of FMCG, in the field of जो ये आपके फूड आइटम्स मार्केट में सेल परचेज की जाती है, उस फील्ड में, FMCG के उस फील्ड में very famous American multinational company is Cargill Food. Cargill, don't misinterpret it. The Cargill one is the location in Jammu and Kashmir. This is the company, वो K से start होगा, ये C से है. Cargill Foods, American multinational company. In 2004 and 5 ये दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी FMCs में जो फूड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज हैं का फील्ड है, उसमें ये दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी कंपनीज में से एक है. When it came to India and decided to make investment in India, what it did, it purchased a very famous Pune-based company, a company of Maharashtra, Parekh Food, जिसकी 4-5 ऑयल रिफाइनरीज थी और जो एडिबल ऑयल को प्रोड्यूस करके इंडियन मार्केट में सेल करती थी. तो व्हाट दिस कंपनी डिड, दिस कारगिल फूड दैट टुक ओवर द पारेख फूड, a Pune based company, in 2004-5, and after that it got a market, a already set up market made by the Parekh Food. और एक बार पेमेंट देने के बाद उनकी छुट्टी की गई और ये पूरी मार्केट, इंडियन मार्केट, इस पारेख फूड की इस कंपनी ने परचेज कर ली. ठीक है. तो दिस इज द थर्ड वे थ्रू विच द मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी दे आर इंटरलिंकिंग द प्रोडक्शन. And now we are moving to the last part, by placing order to the local company. This is the another way through which the multinational companies, they are interlinking the production. What these companies do, generally these companies, they give the orders to the small manufacturers, small producers at local level. And when these orders are executed by the small manufacturers, small producers, small craft people, then what they do, they put the tag, अपना टैग लगाएंगे अपने ब्रांड का, and then these brands which are produced by the local company, they are sold with the name of these multinational company. And generally this kind of production is going on in the fields of garments. आपको एक अपनी जल्दी से बुक में चेक करेंगे, one image has been given to you of a very famous स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट प्रोड्यूसिंग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी. तो ये अपनी फुटबॉल बनाने के लिए, आपको वो पिक्चर में दिया हुआ है कि लुधियाना की विमेन बैठी हुई हैं, वो फुटबॉल बना रही है एक फेमस कंपनी के लिए, और उसके बाद उसके ऊपर फाइनली अपना टैग लगाएंगे एंड देन दे विल स्टार्ट टू सेल इट इन द वर्ल्ड मार्केट. और परचेज करने वाले को लगेगा कि ये तो कोई अमेरिकन या कोई जर्मन कंपनी है, उसका बनाया हुआ इक्विपमेंट है, मस्ट हैव बीन प्रोड्यूस इन जर्मनी, सम area of Germany or some interior area of America. They would never think about that कि these are produced in the village side area of India. तो गारमेंट्स की फील्ड में आपको एक और इमेज दे रखी है जिसमें बताया है कि एक कंपनी अपने जीन्स बनवा रही है इंडियन मार्केट में, और उसके बाद उसके ऊपर अपना ब्रांड का टैग लगा के उसको बेच रही है, और परचेज करने वाले को लग रहा है कि जो उसको 10,000 की, 9,000, 8,000 की वो जीन परचेज कर रहा है, तो उसे लग रहा है कि ये पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड जो है इस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी का इस पर्टिकुलर देश में बना हुआ है. तो दिस इज द फोर्थ वे. ठीक है. एंड थ्रू ऑल दीज वेज दीज एमएनसीज दे इंटरलिंक द प्रोडक्शन अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. मोटिव इज टू रिड्यूस द कॉस्ट. ठीक है. आप इस पॉइंट में ये और याद रखेंगे कि whenever they give the order to the small producers, these multinational companies, they ensure the quality. क्वालिटी को इंश्योर किया जाता है, वरना क्वालिटी नहीं होगी तो फिर आपका माल जो है, आपका जो प्रोडक्ट है वो मार्केट में नहीं बिकेगा. So these are the 4 points through which the multinational companies are interlinking the production. I hope you understood it. Thank you. Have a nice day.